Okay, good morning. My name is Daniel Ramirez. I speak about the offensive operation. Okay, here the chief results of the war are obtained through offensive actions, in which the commander exercises his initiative and tries to oppose with the enemy. The essence of the offensive is the will of attack overcome. This command responsibility and must be inculcated to each soldier. It has been established that the goal is the ruling principle of war. It follows that the ultimate goal of offensive operations is to bring about the destruction of the enemy and his will to fight. And some time purpose of the offensive operations are destroy one enemy force, capture the control of the ground, know the enemy device, deprive the enemy of the necessary resource, distract the enemy attention in other areas. Destroying enemy force, the ultimate goal of the offensive is the exclusion of the enemy or hill to fight. Okay, now the enemy device. Detailed knowledge the enemy device is necessary to achieve the main objectives of offensive operations. Primarily, offensive operations are undertaken to avoid this information. This main purpose, the rationalist operations, is to get friendly forces to engage with the enemy under favorable circumstances, deprive the enemy of the necessary recurse, to prevent the enemy from making use of the resource, reduce his possibilities to conduct operations for long periods and favor the offensive. Although this purpose is normally associated with the strategic operations, it is also applicable to tactical operations. The brought the situations. In the first one, the deployment of the situations would be closely linked to obtaining and main contact and is defined by all actions necessary to determine the strong's location, compositions, and device of the enemy that has been found. This foundation is important as a commander acts that device if he does not know the nature of the enemy he is fighting with. And second, failure in the deployment of the situations provides the enemy with a micro advantage in relative combat power because the commander cannot maneuver with a force in a device way and can be surprised by the resistant enemy.